Hello, little explorers! Welcome to the deepest, wildest jungle yoga adventure. Are you ready to turn into tigers, eagles, and snakes? Put on your imaginary explorer hats, roll out your mats, and take a deep jungle breath. Let's see if you can survive the challenge. Let's go! Revolved triangle. Reach down to touch the magical glowing mushrooms while twisting your body like a vine.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Revolved head to knee. You are a curious snake twisting through the tall grass to peek at a hidden butterfly.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Seated eagle. Wrap your arms and legs tight like a majestic eagle perched high on a cliff, watching over the jungle.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Seated forward bend. Fold yourself small like a hiding frog waiting for rain in a giant lotus flower.
Three, two, one.
Half bridge. Transform into a giant stone bridge so the monkey tribe can cross the river safely.
Three, two, one.
You are a sleepy sloth hanging on a branch. Lift your legs slowly to reach for the juiciest leaf without waking up the jungle.
Three, two, one.
Now switch sides.
Three, two, one.
Bow pose. Pull back your imaginary bowstring. You are a bow aiming at a distant target deep in the forest.
Three, two, one.
Wind relieving. Roll over like a playful baby elephant to release all the jungle energy.
3, 2, 1.
Thanks for joining us on our jungle yoga adventures. Don't forget to give us a star like and subscribe to our jungle yoga channel.